The panels hooked up, so we're pretty much at 645 watts grid tied. It's already connected to the breaker box. All we have to do is literally turn on the 20 amp breaker. So at that point we are over here, and the actual rail right here, the factory style rail, was about 8 inches too short. So we're going to do the transition to the Unistrut, which is more the DIY style, which we'll finish out the entire project on. So we got a little bit left to do to get the other two panels on. But for right now, we're going to go ahead and flip the switch, turn it on. I'm going to turn a few things off in the inside and show you what the meter looks like. But that's about what it's looking like so far. I'm kind of excited. Can't wait to see it in full action with the other two panels hooked up. But anyways, stay tuned for a lot more videos on this entire project coming up, and more of the install stuff too. So next video is going to be showing the meter with the panels in operation. So I'll do it before and after with the meter, just to show you guys. So anyways, can't wait to show you the rest of it. Kind of excited. Looking pretty good right there. Eventually we'll have about 40 panels up on this roof, and should take care of everything the shop's using.